And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix your trading view chart in Binance. So for those people who do not know trading view, your trading view is also like a separate company, all right? It's in partnership with Binance, or we can also say Binance uses the service of trading view chart to show you charts of different crypto. So if like Binance trading view chart is not working, you can go to the official website of trading view chart to see the chart, because sometimes Binance keep on updating their chart, and when you're trying to watch the chart of the specific crypto at the time of update, then the chart is not going to be shown. So if you're trying to watch that chart when it's during the update phase, you can go to the official website of trading view chart to see that chart. All right, now before I show you the way on how you guys can do that, the first step you can do is scroll a bit down. Once you go to binance.com, scroll a bit down. Now this is for those people who do not know how to see the chart, because some people, they just don't know how to see the charts, and they think, oh my god, the chart is not working for them. But it's not true. All right, so what you want to do is, once you're in Binance, go on trade, go on classic or advanced. I like to go in advanced. All right, now once you go in advanced, by default it's going to show you the chart of Bitcoin. All right, but you can see the chart of other crypto if you want to see the chart of other crypto. All right, so wait for some time, and as you guys can see, the chart is going to be shown over here just like this. But sometimes your internet connection might also be slow, which is causing you the problem of the chart keep on loading. Now if you don't see the chart over here, you just want to search in Google trading view. Once you search for trading view, click on trading view, track all market. Once you click on it, you can click on this icon and log in into your account, or you can click on get started and create yourself a trading view account. All right, once you do that, you can see the chart of the crypto or the stock which you want over here. So that's how you guys can fix this problem.